Welcome back all. That was the templates chapter. You learned how to capture a project structure as a template, keep it maintained, and then apply it to either a new or existing project. Now you'll do all three. For the chapter 8 certification, you have 3 tasks. You'll create a company template from your working project, make one edit inside of it to show the maintenance workflow for maintaining project templates, and then you'll go ahead and apply that template to a brand new project to confirm that everything transferred that you included in that template. For a quick refresher, you'll access this in 2 places. Inside any project, the project name drop down in the upper left-hand corner here, create template from project, or from the home screen. So if we go back to our home screen projects dashboard, go to the templates tab where your templates exist and your role in them, as well as similar to projects, the ability to pin for quick access. When you go to create a project, the layer tab contains all of the layer company templates that we've created at layer. And the company tab will show all of the templates that were created within your company. For continuity's sake, I'm going to be working in my 5 model apply it. You can work in this if you've been following along, or work in your own project. Open your project as I've done. Click the project name in the upper left. Select create template from project from the dropdown. Name it something your team can scan and understand at a glance. If this is intentionally building a template for your company, if this is just a learning use case, don't worry too much about it. Just make note of what you name it so you can remove it later. This is what shows in the template when someone starts creating a template. Name, apply at 9, layer maker course example. Select the categories you want to include in this template. Include elements and data unchecked, as we just want the structure of this template. We don't really want to move these elements over to the new project we create. If you intend on connecting the same Revit model, you can include these categories and then reconnect to a new model upload from the new project. But notice, as stated in the earlier videos, you cannot include elements from this model as it needs to be relinked. Hit continue, confirm the details. Looks right. 0 elements. All of the categories I decided to include, which was everything, as well as the field structure. Create template. Once template creation has completed, you'll be returned to your project that you made the template from. Let's go back to the main menu, go to the templates tab, and you should see in your templates list the template you just created. Let's take a look at editing the template. Notice the purple border showing that we are indeed editing a template. Task 1 was creating the template. This is task 2, editing the template. You'll notice that all of the categories are present from our previous project, as well as all of the views for each. Now, elements are disabled for this template, as noted here. However, any view that you change, including available fields in the view, settings, the view type, for each of these, the view names, that will all be applied to the project you apply this template to, or new project you create from this template in the future. Editing this template does not modify any existing project that you have applied it to in the past. It is only future looking. That said, to complete this task 2, editing of the template, create an additional category and create it from scratch. You can add in categories from another template that already exists. In this case, I'm just going to create from scratch, and we will say apply it 9 category task completion. Create category. This is now a new category that exists in this template we're editing. Let's go back to our layer project dashboard. That fulfills task 2, editing the template. Final task 3 for this section, create a project from the template that you just made. From your project dashboard, create project, go to your company tab and search for the template that you just created. Apply it, layer maker course example, apply it, project templates, project submission. You can put anything for the project location, ensure all the details are accurate to the project that you finished editing, and create from template. That's really all there is to it for this apply it and completion of this chapter. If you want, you could go to each category and create a first element to make sure that all of your fields within each category are properly shown and that the field groups are maintained. Apart from that, copy the URL for your project and paste it into the submission link below. That will certify you for completion of this course chapter. See you in the next one.